Over at the nursery, so if you haven't made your way over to the nursery, come on over for this once-in-a-lifetime experience. Again, a baby dinosaur is about to hatch over at the nursery, so if you haven't made your way over to the nursery, come on over for this once-in-a-lifetime experience. Alright friends, good afternoon. Can you do me a favor? You are closer right now. Can you do me a favor? Can you point to the exit to the hatch? Yeah, the one with the cracks right there in the middle. Looks like we don't have much time. So welcome to the Discovery Center, everyone. On behalf of Mr. Hiermit and Engine Technologies, my name is Dr. Jurassic Joe, and today I'm joined along right in the middle with the cracks is the one we are keeping a close eye on. Now they say Jurassic Park is an adventure 65 million years in the making, but here at this nursery, our adventures only take a matter of seconds. This may actually take 30. Get those cameras ready. Come on, little one. Keep pushing. Push a little bit harder. Don't be shy. Come on. The girl. Say hello to the world, baby dinosaur. Pretty spectacular sight. Something that has not been seen in nature in 85 million years. Now, does anybody have a guess of what dinosaur this is? Yeah. Tyrannosaurus Rex is a, speaking of good starts, we've made it a tradition here at Jurassic Park that anytime one of our
just like today, they fed off a lot of